Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you beautiful button charts ideas. So I hope friends enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today's video. So friends, our first idea is friends. Viewers, simple button cards frame. First you take a simple photo frame. Now take different color buttons. Next apply the glue on the frame. Start sticking button one by one. Mix it different color and size. Fill out empty space. Let it dry some time. Your button craft frame is ready. Very easy and beautiful frames. This colorful button art. Let's make a colorful button art. Take a cardboard, non-dry, simple design. Apply glue on the design. Start placing buttons carefully. Use bright colorful. Next, fill the wall design. Let it dry completely. Your button art is ready, friends. Friends, and my next idea is beavers. And friends, heart button cards, heart shapes on paper. Now apply glue inside the shape. Start placing red, pink buttons filled with the heart form. Press gently, let it dry. Your cute heart craft is ready. And friends, and viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more videos afterwards, viewers. So Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video.